All right, hello. I've got a brand new update of our new marketing system here, guys, and I'm just posting this on my YouTube timeline here because there's a lot of people who's just following on, seeing what we're doing here. But this update is mostly going to be understood by people who are existing users of this platform. But if you're brand new, you're going to still love this because if you're considering a marketing system that you can completely customize, this is powerful, and this update is going to be really appealing to a lot of people. So you can actually customize this system with your own programs, and you could already do that. You can add in up to 5 programs of your choice into this system, and you're already able to do that. But here's a little upgrade for you guys. And you can actually customize step 3. All right, you can actually, this new step. Now, basically, for those of you who are brand new, step 1, 2, 3 were for the core programs. Okay, step 4 was going to, basically just for the, the next step. But you can optionally customize step 3. You can take step 3 out. You can put in your own program of choice into this step. That's up to you. It's a choice. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do this was because guys, I'm a happy user of my own system. This is the whole reason why I created this marketing system in this first place, is because I'm not some guy who's trying to make money out of people. I'm not some guy who's just giving away a system that I never use myself. I needed this system because I've been in this game for a long time, and I know what I need. So, you guys get to duplicate what I decide I need, to implement into this system. This is powerful because I know a lot of people have said to me, are we able to switch out a program? Are we able to customize? Now, one thing that this is not going to let you do, technically you're not actually switching anything out. You're not actually technically overriding anything. What you're actually doing is you're just simply updating this step 3 here. That's all you're doing. You're still going to see the affiliate programs in the affiliate setup. So you're still going to see everything here as normal, okay? And you're going to set up in these programs. So your downline are going to see everything to set up, okay? All I'm saying is just this initial step, you're going to be able to have the option, guys, to replace step 3 with whatever business you want to put in there, okay? And it's really easy to do, and it's just going to make it a whole lot more prominent. And if you're, showcasing your primary business, this is a great thing to have. So I'll show you how you do it. Okay. Now, currently it's in the default setting as we had it before. So again, it's all optional. If you don't want to change this, you don't have to. And if you don't see it in your own back office, it's because your sponsor has decided not to switch that to their own program. And that's totally fine. I might even just do that myself. I might not even use this. But again, if you might want to use it occasionally if you want to get, if you've joined a new business and you want to do a launch and you want to get it out there, you might want to make it really prominent. And so all your new users coming in, you might want to just do it, and you can switch it out, you can replace it, you can do whatever at any point in time. So how are you going to do it? All right. So I'm just going to show you from the point of view of a person who's going to log in from your downline, because you're not going to see your own changes. All right. If you switch this out, you're not going to see it yourself. Okay. You wouldn't want to. You wouldn't need to. You're only going to see your direct sponsors if they've done it. Okay. And then your downline are going to see yours if you've decided to change it. So let me show you how it works. Okay. I'm going to just log out of this account, and I'm going to log into a sponsor account, and then I'm going to switch it out. I'm going to show you how you change it, and then I'm going to log back into this account and show you. Okay, so I'm going to log out now, and I'm going to log into my sponsors account, and I'm going to change it. All right, so let me do that first. Okay, now I'm logged into my sponsors account. So what we do is we go to the affiliate setup. Okay, and then we go down to the bottom and we add. You can add your own programs. Now this was already in there. Okay, so there's nothing changed here. You were already able to add up to 5 programs of your choice. Okay, and if you haven't got any programs in here, you can click Add New Program, put your own program in there, Add New, and then that's easy. Okay, you can edit any existing programs. You can test your links. You can, this is just a preview of the programs that you've already added, and you can switch them out, you can delete them, you can change them, edit them, do whatever, any point in time, Now we've got a new button here. It says set as step 3. Okay, so any of these buttons you can toggle. It's only going to work with one of them. Okay, so you can only edit the step 3. That's it. So what you do is you just, for example, you just I don't know. Let's do this one. Set as step 3. Okay. So now it's been highlighted. Now you can see the yellow border. It's highlighted, and the button says step 3 override on. All right. Now, if you go back to your own dashboard, you're not going to see any changes because you're logged in under yourself. Why would you need to see your own changes? And I don't want people, creating new accounts just because they want to see it changed. Please don't do that. Okay. We don't want people having multiple accounts. Okay. Don't do that. So I'm just going to show you what it's going to look like. So I'm going to pause now. I'm going to log back into my other account and I'm going to show you what they see. Okay. Okay, here I am logged into my other account, which is the sub account. Okay, it's like it's a downline member of the previous account that I was logged into, and I had set that up. Now you can see step 3 has been changed. Okay, so then the video appears here. It's all overridden, and the title or whichever you put in there is set up there. And then when they click the button here, they're going to see your whatever title you put in there, whatever subtitle you put in there, and then join the program. Okay, and then when they click here, they'll join, and they'll check out whatever you put in there. Okay, so you have complete control, and that's how we do it. Yeah. So if you don't put a video in here, okay, because that's optional, you don't have to put videos. There's a fallback video, which is perfectly fine. It's a video that I did that's generic, and it just basically says, congratulations, check out your sponsor's business, and you can leave it as that. So if you don't happen to have a video, because that's optional, if you go back to the, hold on a minute, where is it? Okay, if you go back here, and then you can add your own programs. This is under my own account, so that's different. So if you don't, when you add a program, you can add a video that's optional. So if you didn't add a video, it doesn't matter. Okay. So for example, you add a program. Sorry, that's optional, so I can leave that blank. I'm just gonna. Oh, what's that? Okay. So yeah. Oh, hold on a minute. A subheadline. Just put in a subheadline, and then just gonna put in a. I haven't got a link to. I'll just put in any old link, whatever. And then when you add that in there, obviously there's no video there. Yeah. So it obviously I wouldn't put that kind of title in there, but yeah, you don't have to have a video if you don't want to. But if you don't have a video, it means that there's going to be a fallback on the dashboard, and that's my video. Okay, but it's fine. It's no problem. It just says, join, look at your sponsor's business, check it out, blah blah blah, and it's fine. You can set anything as default, yeah. So it's really powerful. It's up to you. So anyway, hope you like it. That's how it works, and you're only ever going to see your sponsor's business there, so you're not going to see your own businesses in this step, obviously. So don't come to me saying, oh, I changed it, but I didn't see any changes, because yeah, if you're logged in under yourself, you're not going to do that. But you guys, don't create new accounts. All right. Just understand, trust me, it works. All right. So it's a powerful tool, and I think a lot of people are going to like it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and check it out. Get on the link below, join the program, join the MLM Lead Pro, and you can run any businesses on here. You can put in your own businesses of choice, and it's a free to join system. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.